Today I'm going to show you a really quick layout that you can get 6 photos on. I always like to get a lot of photos onto each layout if I possibly can. I'm going to show you a single page, but you so easily can turn this into a double page. I have chosen to work with the days of summer, and I'm going to use the blue sheet here as my background paper. And then I picked this cute flip-flop one that it's going to be mattes. So I will show you what we're going to do here. We're basically going to make a square cut out of this paper. So I want my square to be cut out to be 8 by 8. If you haven't used our trimmer, we have the ruler here and the ruler here, and each one of these dark lines represents 1 inch. So it's really easy to figure out where the 8 inches is. But then I want to make sure I cut up as well. So I'm going to put this here at 4 inches, because this from here to here is 8. And then I'm going to come down to the 8, and I can look to see where the 8 is. Push down and go up. So I haven't cut all the way down the paper. And then I'm going to do it this way again because I want it 8 by 8. So now I can see where my line is here and here. So I know this is going to end up being 8 by 8. So I'm going to line up my white line with my cut on the paper. Make sure that stayed where I need it to be. So line it up, push down, and go up. So now I have this that I can use on another sheet or use it for something else. So now you can cut this off too if you want to save paper and to save some weight in your album. But I'm going to put that down like that. And then I am going to use some 3.5 by 3.5 photos. I only cut a few to show you, but I'll do one more here, one here, and one here. And now I have, this is a mat from a mat pack. I am going to just in here, add here, these 3 sides and not that one. And then I'm going to put that on it as a title. So that I'll put up here. And then if you want to, you could actually even have another photo or 2 sticking out. Or you could have brochures or whatever you decide to do. I would have to trim that. And then I also have this part, it's part of the embellishment. So I'm going to cut that to the size that I need. And throw that at the bottom there. And then I'm gonna put summer. So I'm just gonna decorate this right here. And now here I can tell my story, and remember I'm gonna have 3 more photos here. And then you can also use some stickers to decorate. I like using my stickers as embellishments. So if you are not familiar with the anti-stick powder tool, what this does is you would take the back of any of these stickers. Let's say I wanted to put a little heart in the corner. Then you're going to take that sticker and you are just going to tap it with the powder stick. And now it's not sticky anymore. It's like having another embellishment instead of a sticker. So you can put it down wherever you want it and then use your adhesive to stick it down. And that's it. Repeat this on the other side and you've made a very fast double page spread.